Each rack is going to be double wrapped so that it stays protected en route to your door. If you've chosen the optional plastic protection for your rack, it will come in a separate shipment and will require your assembly. A couple key components or key tools that you're going to need. One 9/16 inch socket on an impact drill, or if you don't have an impact, at least a wrench here. Magnetic level, and of course a tape measure so we can make sure our recommended distance of 41 inches is adhered to during install. This is a bolt-on rack. We recommend using a 3/8 inch lag screws. We also recommend that you put at least a 2x6, 2x8, or 2x10 at 3 points horizontally on your wall attached to your stud so that your rack can appropriately attach and secure to your structure. Grab a magnetic level, pop it onto the side of your rack, and that way you can work to make sure that your rack is completely perpendicular with the ground. Now I'm going to go ahead and hand thread these 3/8 inch lag screws into the wall. We're going to grab our 9/16 inch socket and we're going to hammer these things in. Installation is complete.